Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate an eSIM, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up digital SIM cards on your device. Step 1. Verify your phone supports eSIM technology by checking manufacturer specifications. Most iPhones from XS/XR onward, and many recent Android phones include eSIM capability. Step 2. Contact your carrier to request eSIM activation or purchase an eSIM plan. Some carriers allow online eSIM setup, while others require visiting stores or calling customer service. Step 3. Receive your eSIM QR code or activation code from your carrier. This information is typically sent via email, text message, or provided through carrier apps. Step 4. On iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, add cellular plan, and scan the QR code. Position your camera over the code and wait for automatic recognition. Step 5. On Android, navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and select Add Carrier. Scan the QR code or enter activation details manually depending on your device. Step 6. Label your eSIM line with a descriptive name for easy identification. Use names like personal, work, or travel to distinguish between multiple lines. Step 7. Configure which line handles voice, text, and data in your phone settings. Set preferences for which eSIM or physical SIM to use for different functions. Step 8. Test your eSIM by making calls, sending texts, and using data. Verify all functions work properly before relying on it as your primary connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.